What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man. We are back with another video, and I know, trust me, I know it's been a little minute, but I had to come back right with an early banger just for you guys, man. Before we get too far into it, man, I want everybody to tell your boy happy birthday down below in the comment section. Your boy turned out big, 25 years old today, man, so I would greatly appreciate it if y'all spam the happy birthdays down below in the chat. Spam the fire emojis and whatever you gotta do to show some love for your boy on his 25th birthday, man. I really do appreciate it, and everything been good with me. Trust me, I just ain't been having the time to do videos, but I'm trying to change that up, give you guys some more early visuals, give you guys some more unboxings, give you guys some more reviews on feeds, and keep dropping them bangers for you guys, man. So if you guys have not already, man, subscribe to the channel right now. If you're new, smack that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other video we drop on the channel. Today we got a good one because we have an early look, some early visuals straight from Nike SNKRS app. So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so first things first, I kind of want to let you guys know how I got exclusive access. I was just scrolling randomly on Instagram, I was scrolling on Twitter, and then J23, if you guys do not have the J23 app, you sleep. You really sleep. They let your boy know, they sent a notification, they said check for exclusive access on the Air Jordan 3s. And you know, a lot of people always say, man, I ain't got it, you know what I'm saying, they just forget about it. They're like, you know, I ain't got no hope of getting exclusive access. And that's how I kind of been these last couple of months as far as copping sneakers, especially on the Nike SNKRS app. But your boy got lucky with these. They sent your boy that exclusive access link, and I went straight to the Nike SNKRS and I copped my size. Got a next day shipment, so I've been sitting on these for a little minute, but I just ain't had time to get around to the video. And today, we're gonna switch that all up. Your boy getting right back in front of the camera, drop some early visuals for the Vintage Squad, man. You guys already know how we rock it. And also, Nike SNKRS app put out this new little, I guess, criteria or what you gotta do to get exclusive access, pretty much. I'm gonna put a little screenshot over here or something so you guys can check it out. And it says that pretty much bots can get exclusive access. They're making it fair for everybody. And it pretty much said if you're spending money with the app, you're engaged with the app and not just checking the boxes and stuff like that, then you will have that opportunity to get exclusive access. So like I said, these last couple months I really ain't been active in the sneaker community as far as, you know, how I used to do things. I really ain't been on Nike SNKRS app like that, and I still got exclusive access for these sneakers in here. So I know you guys are ready for me to open the box, so we can get right into this early visuals, man. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these things. Like I said, your boy got these straight from the Nike SNKRS app, and if you guys know what we just got exclusive access for, you guys already know what's inside of the box, man. Check it out, check it out. And this box is different, man. It's different from any other Air Jordan 3 box we have gotten. You know, recently they've been giving us a little split with the, you know, the cement or elephant print on this side and then the solid box, but I ain't got no all black Air Jordan 3 box ever. It's the first one. This box looks pretty nice. If you guys already know what it is, man, please spam up in the chat what these Air Jordan 3s are. Let's read the official colorway, and just real quick, I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll and some looks at the nice presentation they gave us. But real quick, Air Jordan 3 Retro, white, racer blue, and black, and it's retail for $190. And of course, I got these things in a size 9. You see it, you see it. Always tend to go true to size with my Air Jordan 3s. I went up a half size, I went down a half size, and they all feel the same to me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Go ahead and peel it open real quick. Yes sir, and bam, man. Here you have them, bruh. The Air Jordan 3 Racer Blues, man. Oh my God. And if this reminds me of any, I guess you could say, colorway, it will be the Motorsport Air Jordan 3s. You guys know we did get the Motorsport Air Jordan 4s, which shot up in resale value. Like, literally shot up out of nowhere. It's kind of hard to get you a pair for a reasonable price nowadays. But now we have these beauties. And hey, like I said, these things is pretty nice. I went on there, I was like, there's no way I got exclusive access for these. And I did. And having them in hand, I still got that same energy. I really do like this Air Jordan 3. If you guys go watch my earlier video when I unboxed the Air Jordan 3 Cool Grays early for you guys on the channel, I told y'all, man, I want to get my Air Jordan 3 collection right. I want to get more Air Jordan 3s. They super comfortable. You can rock them in a lot of different fits. And it's like a super subtle sneaker. You know what I'm saying? You can dress it up, dress it down, do whatever you want with them. And with this predominantly white Air Jordan 3 and the blue hits, you're gonna get a lot of dope fits out of these joints right here. So let's go ahead and pull both of them out of the box real quick, so I give you guys some nice visuals over these things, man. But real quick, man, I do want to, like, bro, look at the presentation of the box, man. Like, oh my God, this is crazy. All black box. Hey, I'm really digging it, Jordan Brand. Keep it up. So here you have it, man, the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blues. These will be releasing on July the 10th. Like I said, your boy birthday is today. I appreciate all the love you guys have been showing. And these retail for $190. I actually ended up paying more for this sneaker because I did do the next day shipping, and I really didn't even need the next day shipping because, hey, I didn't do the video until a couple days after I got exclusive access. But it is what it is. Your boy really has been busy. I'm trying to come back, give you guys some dope visuals. I've been copping some heat. Like, your boy been copping some shoes, and I cannot wait to have the time, you know what I'm saying, get some dope videos out for you guys and get back into, you know what I'm saying, the gist of actually doing YouTube and sharing my experiences as far as sneakers with you guys, man. That's what I really miss doing, and we're gonna get right back into it. Just stick with your boy by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell, and we're gonna keep dropping them bangers. But I'm gonna do a full review and on feet for these. I want to go outside, get some nice visuals of it, do a dope on feet, throw some different jean variations that I got from Fashion Over Men. I will link Fashion Over Men down below. And you guys will be seeing the Fashion Over Summer Fit haul, clothing haul, coming very soon near you, so stay tuned for that one as well. But off first rips, I want all you guys to give me your honest thoughts, your honest opinions over these right here. The leather quality, I wouldn't say it's too crazy. I probably think that the Air Jordan 3 Georgetowns has some softer leather quality, but I don't have those Air Jordan 3s with me right now in my possession. But these right here is a nice colorway, super solid. It ain't not like, it's not like one of those filler sneakers, you know what I'm saying? We used to get those filler Air Jordans, those crazy colorways like the Air Jordan 1 Shadow like 5.0s we on right now. Like, just, we don't need them, you know what I'm saying? We really don't need them. We need more colorways like this, solid. You can actually pick them up, get some dope fits out of them. You're not gonna be like, you know, feeling like it's an impulse buy, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna give you guys some nice detailed looks on the actual review. I'm still gonna give you guys some B-roll on this right here because the actual, like, you know, the elephant print on the outside, it's like, I don't know if it's like a gloss material or what it is on the back right here, but it's not like your typical Air Jordan 3 elephant print hits on the back and around the toe box of these joints, man. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna break it down in full in depth and give you guys some B-roll. If you know anything more about this sneaker than me, please let me know down below in the chat. I really ain't been talking about shoes that much lately, so we're gonna get back in the swing of that. And I really did think it was crazy how sneakers put out that little exclusive access little article or whatever showing how to get it, and I literally have not been copping any shoes within the last like month and a half, and I end up getting exclusive access. So I don't know too much about that. I do want to go live about that stuff, chop it up with you guys. So maybe we might go live, chop it up, have some good laughs with the boys this weekend. So please stay tuned for that live stream. I appreciate everybody for pulling up to today's video. Like I said, we have the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blues, which will be releasing July 10th, retailing for $190. Not too crazy, typical Air Jordan price. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you will be copping these. Be dropping a full in-depth review and on feet for you guys, so you can check it out, see if you're really rocking with it, see if you're gonna spend that $190 or if you're gonna pass on these joints. Right here, I really think it's a solid colorway. They did something different with the box. They did something crazy with this elephant print on the back and on the toe box, which you're gonna talk about that in the full review. So stay tuned right now by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell, following your boy over on Instagram at TheVintageWorld, which will always be linked down below in the description box. I appreciate all the love and support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.